This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, good evening and good morning based on your locality. So, welcome to Python free sessions. So, first myself, Nagarjuna Varlakonda. I have a total 11 years of IT experience. I'm a working guy as well as I'm providing the trainings on the different technologies. Like you can search on the YouTube also, Python and PowerShell, Azure Cloud. Generally, I will give the trainings on these technologies. Especially this plan for these ones. One second, PowerShell. So this is a one. Wait, some ad is coming. So this is the one channel is there. The plan is very simple, sir. Here, planning to providing complete Python basics, but very detailing. Detailing means like pin to pin concept explanation from the scratch to basic level. So total 25 hours plan. Total training of this one 25 hours. Generally, same course we will call on outside core Python. Generally, we will call as a core Python. The same whatever I'm planning to deliver in coming 25 hours, that we will call as a core Python. So whatever the content that is secondary, first who are eligible, first of all, who are eligible to learn this course. You don't worry about the recorded session and other things. First concentrate on the live training, that is important. Remaining things are secondary only. Leave it. So those who are completely new to IT or those who are completed their graduation, they're completely planning to learn a new technology. The best option is here. But already, if you are a fresher, this is my recommendation. There is no, I'm not talking these words related to any, what we will call money related, just for your proper information I'm providing. If you are completely fresher, better to learn, have watched any one of the videos of the C language. You have a lot of time. You will get perfect idea. Your plan is learning to Python, but you are a fresher or non-IT people. Just watch or select so many complete. Only select one playlist and go through that videos. Then after you can plan for the Python. Anyhow, we have a this is a only Saturday Sundays plan only. Definitely, when there is any possibility, Saturdays before 2 to 3 days, definitely I will update in the group, and the link is different for every weekend. Here today we are taking the session on Saturday, Sunday, but regular my plan is Saturdays and Sundays. And those who are completely new to here, yes, they are happily learn this one. Or if you are planning to learn like a Python developer, like next plan is like a Django or Flask frameworks. You're planning to learn like a, if you want to learn like a full stack developer simply, this is the best option. Or else, especially this is I'm using a star symbol. I'm working on this area, especially those who are planning to or working on the environment of DevOps or cloud, any cloud or AWS or Azure, anything, you're thinking or you're planning to learn for like something automation, especially automation area, very, very important, sir. Automation area. Really, programming point happily sir, and additional and maintain so many star symbols here. Automation point. The automation is not like a simple level. For example, I will show you one example on the screen. So many these one green, yellow color one Python programs only. Just see this one example only. This is how this our automation is going to complete with no programming knowledge is required. Again, I'm saying the very first word for our training. No programming. We are completely today. We are completely in zero. See, if I run this program, is trying to 1 second. Sir. I will change the extension. PyCharm is one. You don't worry about this one, sir. We are completely zero at this point. You have to consider in that way only. I'm not going to start from the intermediate level. I'm not going to start other thing. Just how we are going to start. See, I'll just click on that button. Now see what will happen. Okay, something is loaded. We are not entering anything. See, it is provided some OTP to my mail ID. See, this is the action. We are not even didn't touch that application also. Directly it is log into. It's just a matter of 8 lines of code. 8 lines of code. Please keep on mute. So just I'm giving to you some proofs. Why? Because while entering into the data types and the conditional statement, after completion, if I say this is very important, that is useless. That's why before of that session all I am explaining to you. Very, very important, sir. Even your plan is like data science. Sir, here also I'm using the star symbols. Data science or artificial intelligence or machine learning. There is Python, sir. Already so many YouTube videos or trainers are available. Just to follow 1 to 2 3 videos, sir, then you will get the clarity. What is the level of this training? You will understand what are the missing components and how to learn from unknown to a intermediate level. Not I'm saying if you learn here, you are going to get a expert. Expert, the word or that capability you will get with practice only and real-time applications. So even database connection, especially for networking people. For example, if you are a networking people, see how to get the system related information. I'm opening the Python software, but you can consider we don't know this one. What is this one? We don't know. Just see how I'm going to get the details of my system. For example, logical disk, I mean disk space information. I'm going to get. See how I'm going to get the disk space information. See, every second one drive it will print. Just press enter. C drive, D drive, E drive, F drive. So not a big deal. Just I written. It's a matter of 1 or 2 lines. Just consider 1, 2, 3, 4 lines of code. Complete drive information it is given. System information. You are a networking people also happily you can enjoy here. Even you can connect to the Linux servers also happily from sitting here. You can happily connect the Linux servers also. So nowadays, yes, definitely, sir. This is your important and emergence. It's not a program knowledge is not required. Previously, to print something, you need to write 20 to 30 lines. For example, generally you may this word. If you want to print good morning, if you want to print good morning, we have to write so many lines to print that one. Even if it is in Python, sorry, if it is in Java or in another programming languages, even if it is in C language also, we have to write so many lines of code we have to write to print just a matter of one line. But here very simplified. Why Python is famous? Huh? Simply, we don't know anything. Why Python is famous? Huh? Simple one word. Already your required element, whatever the element, are required code, are required. application. Already the code is written by someone, and which are available as a module in the Python. Already available in the Python module. Whatever the requirement today you are getting, already someone written that code. Almost 1.5 lakhs modules are there. No need to do anything. Just you have to learn how to use it. That is a very we feel how to learn that, how to use it. That component only complicated for us. Whatever your requirement today, or after joining to your company, or you already are working, that already written by someone. Just you have to learn how to use it. So even non-IT already are working on DevOps environment. Yes, whatever the plans are here, whatever that plan. So simply saying that on all people, but especially these people. Really, is it going to cover total course in 25 hours? Answer is no. Answer is no. I am very clearly saying that one intermediate knowledge you will get. So whatever we are calling core Python and advanced Python, actually there is no core Python, advanced Python. Just it's a business oriented names only. Like core Java, advanced Java. No, that words are not there. Just for the business plan. So here you are going to get complete core Python. So what are the required things? Okay, these are the required. I mean eligible. What are the prerequisites to learn these things? So one Windows machine is required, sir. One desktop or laptop, one element. I mean that is a laptop or desktop. Windows is enough. Even the version you are using 7 or Windows 7 or 8.1, 10 or 11. Yes, sir. Who is VA? V is a unmuted. Please mute from your end, sir. Otherwise, I have to do from my end. So one desktop is enough. And here, sir, we no programming knowledge is required. Maximum how much lines we can write it. For example, one program if you take, maximum how much lines we can write it further. For example, if you take like I will show you the other batches are there, but which is other full Python information. 1 second. Maximum lines. For example, this is advanced level Python is going on there. How much lines of code we can write it for this one? This is a one batch is going on. And let's take any one of that. I'm feeling this is a complete code is available. Maximum 30 or 20. That's another programming language that is a 100 or 200. See, this is a maximum, sir. This is a maximum. What it will do now? Just this is a one. See what it will do. This is a running session. I mean, the session number is 64 on yesterday, the 21st. Even you can run this program also, no problem. You can run it in front of you also. I will run this one. What it will do? Just I'm going to run this program. That's all. It is opening something, and it is giving to you something like your disk space information. Drive information, total drive information it is printed. So I'm trying to explain to you the maximum code. Even you feel like we are not a programmers. First point, we are not a programmers. Nothing. So core Java, Python, Python, logics, nothing is required. Sir. Just concentrate every session. That is enough. That is enough. Okay. Next one is the thing. Okay, these are all the things are secondary. First, I said one Windows machine is required to learn this one. Sir, even the theory concept is very easy. So many documents are available. Yes, the Python is a general purpose programming language, high level language. Theory part after learning something I will explain to you. For example, if in the session one only, if I explain to you theory part, you feel like bored, sir. Like for example, if you are watching one movie, first to 10 to 15, first to 5, 1 to 2 minutes, what we will get about the writer, director, hero, heroine, the things we want, we generally we will skip that one. Generally, not all, generally we will skip. So actually we will play that one actually. What is the things we are going to say. So even this was introduced in 1991, and Python official date of birth is 20th February 1991. The technical guy, Guido van Rossum, invented by Rossum, we will call Rossum. So these things we will see documentation, and after some time, after 3 to 4 sessions, after I will come to the what is the history. But this is the one who are eligible simply. No, I mean all are eligible simply. That is a only these people are eligible. That what I'm not saying. That one all are eligible, but practice is also important, right? First of all, simple sir. Keep in your mind one word. Already whatever your requirement, already someone is written. Someone is written in the concepts of the modules. Your requirement already written by someone, and which is already available in the Python as a modules. Module is nothing but collection of simply what you can call programs, collection of programs. Okay, first one, but the first thing is, yes, sir, theory part is different. Yes, what are the futures are there? For example, you are asking about the what is the futures of the Python, where we can use it. Yes, where we can use it. The theory part it will take long time, sir. Actually, you can use developing a web applications, for example, web application purpose, you can use for the desktop applications by using a beautiful module is there, Ticketer is a module. Or else you can use for the cloud environment also you can use it. The cloud environment also you can use it happily. We can manage complete AWS to AWS by using simple, very simple module Boto 3. One simple module is there, Boto 3. With Boto 3 you can manage complete AWS cloud. Even Git, Jenkins, from Python functions or methods, we can completely manage the Git. So futures are so many things are there. Even I said the previously networking related one, developing the games, data science, statistics, machine learning, IoT. Yes. First point is why it is famous. Simple to learn, sir. Very simple. Why it is famous? Simple to learn. First point is a simple to learn. This is a one point, not a big deal actually. Like general English only. This is like your Python syntax is like your general languages only, and it's a open source. It's not a paid one. It's an open source. Anyone can use it. And more this word maybe at this point you cannot understand. I feel if you are new to completely this technology, this line number 20 is a different one. Independent. Which independent? Platform independent. I will try to explain in the lemon terminology. For example, you are writing a program on Windows, sir. You're writing a program on Windows. Yes. For example, this is my Windows machine. This is my Windows machine. For example, I'm writing a program. Like 1 second. I'm writing. I'm just writing a word. Just closely observe. I'm writing some word and something I'm executing. Otherwise, you can take this one. Import OS. I'm writing some word which is on Windows. 1 second. Just wait. This is some result. You don't worry, sir. What in the day one only is explaining something we are unable to get. I'm planning to explain to you this word meaning. That's why I came to here. Oh, something I'm executing. OS environment variable. Username. See, something I'm running and it is working here. Same thing if you go to the any Linux machine. Already in my machine, I have a one Linux machine is there. You want to see, this is one of the Linux machine. Whatever you are seeing on the screen, that is one of the Linux machine. Yes, it's a case sensitive, na? That's why it will throwing an error. So one of the Linux machine. So if I'm going to the Python, import OS dot environment variable. See, same thing only. Same thing only I'm getting the result also. Related to that operating system. Related to that operating system. No matter. Means write one time on any one of the platform you can use anywhere. For example, you are writing one program on the Windows. Same program without modification you can work on the Linux. You will work on the Mac OS. Yes, you can use anywhere. That is a meaning. Platform independent. Like that, there are so many things are there. That generally we will call portable. Portable only. This approach. So this theory part we will see slowly. This theory part we can spend 1 hour time to understand the execution process or debugging we will call. We will start the journey actually how to use the Python. That is the main thing we will start. Then you will get some idea. Are we really eligible to learn this course? Is there any? I mean, they are saying free. Again, there is any business plan is there behind this logic. You can understand that. Really, that is no plan. This is a purely we are planning to provide the core Python freely only. There is no plan. Okay, the first one is just install the particular Python software from the python.org website. Download the Python software. For that, I'm going to the browser. This is a one you can upload the YouTube in the YouTube. These are the available PowerShell related one. Yes, someone. Hi guys, how do I learn this class regularly? Okay, fine. Okay, this is related to PowerShell, sir. Okay, fine. Now, yes, you and after live session, I will upload this our recorded session here only. You can catch from this one. I will share the link also in the upload. Okay, first of all, download the Python software on Windows. Okay, for that python.org. Just to type python.org. In the second folder, about the downloads documentation is there now. If you go to the downloads, just to download 3.11.3 latest version. That's it. So now see how to install it. Just right click, run as administrator. Click on yes. Already in my machine I have the Python software, but here you will get two options: install, default install, and customization install. Select the customization install only. That is the first screen. You have to select the second option. Two will come here. General and normal install, default installation you will get. Second one is a customized installation. Select the customized installation, and here don't miss this second option special. All are there, but specially pip is there na. You have to select this one. Pip.